How to make a custom keyboard on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Search. Go to the search bar at the top and type in Gboard. Tap on Gboard from the results. Then, tap on Open as shown. You will then be taken to the Gboard application. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. Select Gboard from here. As you can see, you are now using the Gboard keyboard. Tap on the Settings key below. Go to Settings again. Over here, tap on Themes. You can now choose a theme for your keyboard from here. Select the theme that you want. And then, customize the theme as you like, such as changing the background color, text color, and more. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. Go back to open the Messages app and tap on the new message icon again. As you can see, you have successfully changed the keyboard theme. Following these steps, you can easily make a custom keyboard on iPhone.